Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday. I haven't done a video in over a week. Been busy. I hauled three loads of stuff up to our storage unit. I got the first storage unit's getting pretty full. I think I can get one more load in there as long as they don't take furniture. But Friday's a bad day to go. Early in the morning it was great. Coming home, it took me 6 hours to get home. 2 extra hours to get home. Waco was a parking lot. Even south of Temple, people trying to go to Killeen was a parking lot. So it took me 6 hours to get home, whereas usually do it in 4. I hate traffic on 35. 35 is horrible. There's so much traffic, there's not even enough. 3 lanes is not enough for all the traffic and all the trucks. So Sunday seems to be the best day to go move stuff. Not during the week, like I did. So I finally got the Spyder out. I got that trailer in the driveway, so I had to push it towards the street and finagle this thing out of the garage. Move my wife's car in the street. I haven't ridden this in a while. I've been riding the Goldwing just because I have to pull that out to get it stuff in the garage to haul away. I have to ride in the evenings though. It's too hot during the day when the sun's up. So it's 91 now, and it is, what is it, 8:27. But it doesn't feel that bad because the sun's not out. Bye. Boy, it feels so good to get out and ride again. It's been a while. It's been so hot. I can't ride during the day. It's just too hot. So the evening's good. It's nice now. It's 86 and it feels really cool. I did so much work in the yard today. I mowed, I trimmed my trees, I power washed the pool deck, I power washed the deck, the patio. I got a shed in the back that I built. It was just, it's got like a plastic roof, and I didn't realize that when we got that golf ball size hail, I have big holes in my roof. So I don't know if that insurance will cover that. So all I had was red duct tape, so I duct taped all the holes. My wife wasn't too happy about that because I did it in red and the roof's brown. But man, whoever invented duct tape is a genius. That stuff's fantastic. It's stuck to even the dirty roof. Gotta watch for deer this time of night though. I'm scanning the horizon. Bye. Well, I don't think I've shot at night with this thing before. Let's see if that digital dash just flashes on the GoPro. It's not flashing, but let's see what it looks like. I got the Hero 9 today. It's heavy. I'm feeling around for my mic adapter, because I usually shot with the 7Ds, but I got the 9D on here now because I'm not going for a long ride, so it's not that heavy for a short ride. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, 256. I went there the other day, it was 263, so I went back down here at 256. They play games. I saw it 296 one time when down here it was still 246. It was empty though. Bye.